first day on the Smith River. And we're about 7 miles in. Water's a little muddy, you can see.
A little muddy.
But we're still gonna catch some fish.
Dad caught a stick.
I caught a stick. First thing we caught today. It's a big stick though.
Huge one.
So
Best stick I've ever seen.
we're at Lower Rock Garden right now. Got Alina on the oars. She's doing great. Some of the scenery on the Smith River. So we're halfway to our camp and just had lunch. Beautiful day. It started out a little chilly.
Huh?
Started out a little chilly, I said, right?
Oh, okay.
But it's warmed up now and the sun's starting to come out. Clouds are breaking up. And I'm throwing a big streamer, so I had one bite earlier, so I can pull something out. Anything to say, Snoop?
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Kind of busy right now.
All right. Check back later. Oh, look at this big rapid. Ah!